mo akwa batronko batuma GH so nana ama obusa enemy na separate training issues abeto dwano na mede ebesomo ewe fide so na meko ensemno emuno pero foka temi say enimgwase we emfata kan ni ba na so enimgwase bi so all they are chirukro enya bakubakwa say na ni ane say abaywe bi video bi abeto dwate say enimgwase kete pa na according to caption a video no we slay queen at say what Ginny Dean I biomons no war dating a guy I wanna know a war much show at it as to be quite more material much say our more na the video ye a top on and say according to guy no I'll know ever behind the scene and say what is a camera na war recording video na buy one video no or no nature say abaywa no obi odana kuma so wodon ne girlfriend no wodon pa na woko fie ofiduma ko fie brebi oko fie no ko na no yebu eni ate se ni ne demu nyama ya pede bi ede eko na wo kan no na ne MacBook ene ebiemu nso no ne sika sombo 35,000 Ghana cedis na wo dwedwe mu ahwemu out say wo Tracy MacBook nim say iPhone 4 so there wo mo ye bibia Apple 4 mo ye bibia wo mo the tracking eto so into track ya wo kopɛ ne MacBook ne kira kwan na ono agasa ne girlfriend no ena we via no ko to no so mpa no kwasem okwa na MacBook no eda ne mpa so aka ne de a ye be format MacBook no so atese ne honya ma bi e wo so no ye be delete fi so ase ne betimi do person fanya no betimi ede aye na ebiem so no ko to so no bi sa abaywa ne se ba ne say en wo be fa ni dem nyama na say ba ne say babu no be fa MacBook no enti wo chechire mu en ase ni say won ti ase de abaya ni ntimi nkasa asem na to no so no one suspect no o te say de ni ndam posi e be che no e wo eye kro no a wodi ye no na eno na ye bi se bi sa na chire se sika so no e wo hi sika no wo hi won go fa sika ne bra na ebusa for esewoni ensem ka chire bebi abayo yi fa konya edisi ya wo gina konya so eyi sika ne free ye no enya Seketa yebo video no emra ne ba chiresem no so me de besomu
laptop on va faire laptop na quoi qu'on flasher so me 350 million okay one for me scan ye ne den scan oh that be scan me post to scan ye ne den
open give me
okay kasa me na butira me kasa o se den explain no explain no si bia o John na e ba ni sen you be friend no explain no me say one explain no me post video no explain no
make you post
I don't go post but if you know explain yourself I swear to God me post video no me say explain no
now ya wa jai ba wo say wo twan to wo be prove
scan bra scanning you 350 million if free me fee pay me buy you know the girl am done we bu me 20 every 350 million only
20,000
na say na mekano kane no eno ene doubt me say abayo na feri pa ni ebu na so be ne den asem na nya be wie nya ache na wie konfo so ya ache no no hu de we guarantee say fifre na te say aye o minimum ka kwa ene wo de nim na ni niam no de wo mu ne say ene dey relationships mu it say any asakra kakra e wo ya breso wo share relationships the way I am finding meaning of relationships e wo ne bremu a shouldn't say because according to ono be man na what we call the video ono na say the girlfriend be bu ni dan ni out so afa na laptop and asa na MacBook na bi so afa ni sika wa ko chi na wo recording the video no obi a wo don na nti wo do bi na wa yo wo bone a enimguase e na wo di be gona because social media so wo dey better no so social media there so no dey bia me tai kan oyebusu apeni and ebusu for dross pa obi anya asem a wo dey ekoto wo nti wo dey ekoto say dey ebusu for akaso be hu bi na eno no dodo na be hu say abaywe yi eyo kromfo anasa abaywe yi etibia be via wo na no ne market na and we go no akwa slake so the market so and wo mo dey run na we go no market no eno sa na ebiem so no say wo do na enimguase we And say committing in so many other ways. Say, who let's say a crime, now you have to take care honor. Police station will always make a case against it, but say we don't know. Now then why one a case against it. Now we start a recording video, now we post the video. No, it tells a lot. Say truly no one can say now we are friends with benefits, and I say oh don't cry with conditions, and I say only nancy with conditions. Now if you must obey slave queen. And now look at Kennedy slave queen, and now one friend look at Kennedy slave queen. So who would be slave queen? Who needs to carry the better wig? I can say designer way I can say. No, I saw some crack where you better see Kawako fee 35,000. I did your boyfriend in coming to the DB. Oh, be what be your way out into a wing coming to be son. Now, not yet. Why a grandpa no be son crown woman, no bending, or no alcofa. But in Yamono, only will do a relationship now, here be no one to me, when he said. And it's not a genuine something because relationship in it's commitment. Your dog, and whatever bra will be behind here, you have to be there for each other. So what to be now with you, and to be in time with you, and more brown yana. No, in so over falls to a slave when who be here, man went to be support to her. Now, no one ever from one joiner, you walk out of the relationship, then so best stay in. Now, after Jane so be born up on another backfire, that is the day when I would you and was here, and in Nemuno. Yes, so your home chrono send the chrono de any brain and macrono eba when him will be at their own fan at the infinite. Yes, so now I embrace once a dear one, you're happy with it. Now it's me and maintaining the good name because good name is always better than riches. We are going to say, as I said, they say a bath, they say, be a winning fine go. I quit in Sempi. Every for media has say once over join channel Pomadia to job our comment section one now follow our Instagram near Twitter page at @TooMuchGH_. Nana Ama Owusu enemy din Facebook so following what @TooMuchGH me Eden na Ama Owusu Amakramo.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo. We betumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come on here Too Much GH. Too much yet, more too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say, bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane, bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam, wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Kat won. Na bomoden na be hwe too much GH. Beshe ne subscribe bomoden o beshe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.